Good morning everyone. So we will continue our exercise. This is the last problem in exercise 6.2, ninth solution. The area of a square field is 5184 meters square. So what is the area of a square field here? 5184 meters squares. Find the area of a rectangle. We have to find the area of a rectangle and whose perimeter is equals to perimeter of a square. Here area of a perimeter and area of a square are same itself. So whose square field and whose length is twice of its breadth. They have given the length value as twice of its breadth value. So breadth value we will take it as x. So for what they have given, first they have given area of a square field. They have given area of a square. By using that we have to find first side value. If you get the one side value, automatically you will get perimeter of a square. So first what they have given, we will write that. So given area of a square. So area of a square value they have given as 5184 meters square. So this is area of a square, means area of a square formula is s square, that is side into side. So already we know area of a square as area of a square as s square. The formula of area of a square is s square is equals to 5184 meters square. Now transpose the square to other side, that will be in the form of square root now. So s is equals to square root of 5184 meters square. Now we have to find the square root of 5184. So by using the long division method, so I am finding the square root here. So how to do the division method here? First pair the values and we have to use only square numbers. What are square numbers? 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9. So here last digit is how many? Here we are having 51. So 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square you know it as 100. So what is the value? What is the first pair here? 51. So less than 51 value we have to take. What is the less than 51 value? That is 49. So we can take 7 square. So here I am multiplying 7 and here also I am multiplying 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So it will be 2 and bring this 84 down. So it became 284 now. Now you double this 7. So if you double this 7, it will be in the form of 14. Double of 7 is 14. So what is the last digit here? 4. So where you are seeing the as last digit 4? Here in case of 2 square and in case of 8 square. That means the answer will lie in 2 square and 8 square itself. So first I am using 2 here. If I substitute 2 in place and 2 here, I should multiply here also 2. That means 142 twos are. So what is 142 twos are? That is 284. So what is the correct one here? 2. That is 142. Twos are 284. So what you got the remainder as? Remainder as 0. That means the side value you got it as 72. The square root of 5184 is 72. So side value you got it as 72 meters. Now by using this side we have to find the perimeter of a square. Already they have given the condition as perimeter of a square and perimeter of a rectangle is same. So if you find the perimeter of a square, you will get the result for perimeter of rectangle also. So they have given perimeter of a square is equals to perimeter of rectangle. So what is the perimeter of a square formula? 4 into s is equals to perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. So before this they have already given the length value is twice of its breadth. That means breadth value we will take it as x and length value we will take in the form of 2x because length value is twice of its breadth. So now you substitute here 4 into side value is how much? 72 is equals to 2 is a constant value, length value is how into 2x plus x will be 3x. Now 288 is equals to 2 3s are 6x. Now transpose this 6 to other side. What you will get? X value is equals to 288 by 6. So we can cancel here. 6 1s are 6 4s are 24. 6 8s are 48. So x value you got it as 48 meters. So by using this you got the x value as 48. So x is nothing but here breadth value. So now we have to find the length value. What is length here? Length is twice of its breadth. So we have to multiply 2 with this value, that is 48. So therefore here till here we got length value as 2 into x, that means 2 into 48, that will be 6, 96. So 2 into 48 is 96 meters, and breadth value already we got it as 48 meters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of a rectangle. Now we have to find the area of a rectangle. So first, once again listen this. They have given area of a square as 5184 meters. By using that square value, area of a square, first we have to find the side value. If you get the side value, you will get, we can find easily perimeter of a square. And also they have given the note as perimeter of a square is equals to perimeter of a rectangle. And in that, breadth value we are taking it as x because it didn't mention anything, and length value they told it as this twice of its breadth, that is 2 times of breadth value. So here what they have given, area of a square is 5184. So area of a square formula is s square. S square is equals to 5184 meters square. Now I am transposing this square to other side, that will be in the form of square root. Now I found here square root of 5184. We got it as side value as 72. Now by using this side value, we have to find the area perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is equals to, already they told that perimeter of a square and perimeter of rectangle are same. So perimeter of a square is equals to perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a square formula is how much? 4 into s is equals to perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into l plus b. So length value they gave us 2x, that is twice of its breadth, and breadth value is x because it didn't mention anything. So length value is 2x, breadth value is x. Now 4 into 72 is 288 is equals to 2 into 2x plus x will be 3x. Multiply these two terms, that will be 6x here. Now transpose the 6 to other side, that will be in the form of division. 6 1s are 6, 48s are 288. So x value you got it as 48. Now what we have to find? We have to find the length and breadth value. So length is how much? 2x, that means 2 into 48, that will be equals to 96 meters. And breadth value is how much? X. X is nothing but 48 meters. Now by using this, we have to find area of a rectangle now. What is area of a rectangle formula? L into B. So I am doing here. Area of rectangle is equals to L into B. That means the length value and breadth value we have to multiply. So area of rectangle is equals to, what is the length value? Length value is 96 meters and breadth value is 48 meters. Multiply this one. So you got it as, so area value you got it as 4608 meters square. So this is our last problem in this exercise. So already we got length value and breadth value. So by using this length value and breadth value, where we are finding area of a rectangle. What is area of a rectangle here? Length into breadth. So length value is 96 meters, breadth value is 48 meters. Just to multiply this, you got it as 4608 meters square. So this is our last problem in 6.2 exercise. Next exercise is 6.3. as 6.3. So first bit. So what is the first bit here? Find the square root of the following numbers by division method. By using division method, we have to find the square roots. So find the square roots by division method. So first one in that 1089. So for this value we have to find the square root. So given square root of 1089. So we have to find the square root value of 1089 by using the division method. First pair the numbers. So write the square numbers. 1 square will be 1. So pair the values. What is the value here? 10. So less than 10 value, which value we are having? That is 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. So 3's are 9. Subtract this. 10 minus 9 will be 1. Bring this whole pair down. That is 189. Now double this 3. If you double this 3, that will be equals to 6. So what is the last digit here? 3. Last digit is 9. So where you are seeing the last unit digit as 9? In this case and in this case. That means the answer will lie between 3 square and 7 square. So first we will apply 3 here. 63. 3's are. What is 63 3's are? 3's are 9. 3 6's are 18. So you got it as 189. So 63 3's are 189. So you got the remainder as 0. So what is the square root value here? So therefore the square root value of 1089 is equals to 33. That means 33's are 1089. So second one. So we have to find the square root of this value. Square root of 304. So by using long division method, we have to find the square root. So first pair the values from right side. So 23, less than 23 value we have to take, that is 16. So 4 4's are 16. 7 not 4. Now double this 4 will be 8. So what is the last digit here? 4. So where you are seeing the units place as 4 now. So in two cases, that is 2 square and 8 square. So the answer will lie between 2 square and 8 square only. So first we will apply here 2. So if you apply here 2, so that will be 82 2's are 164. That is very bigger number. So what is the result here? Which number we have to take? 8 we have to apply here. So 88, 8's are will be 704. So remainder will be 0. So what is the square root here? Square root of 2304 is equals to 48. So 48's are 2304. So next is so we have to find the square root of 7744. So pair these numbers. 77 less than 77 value. What is that here? 64. So 8's are 64. So bring this 44 down. It is 1344. Double this 8 now. That will be 16. What is the units place here? 4. That means the answer will lie between these two numbers only. That is 2 square and 8 square. So first we will apply 168 eights. So you got it as 1344. So 168 eights is 1344. So you got the remainder as 0. So therefore, what is the square root of 7744? That will be equals to 88. Next question. Six thousand 84. Long division here. So first pair the values. First pair is 84, second pair is 60. So less than 60 value is 49. So 7 sevens are 49. So 1 11 and bring this 84 down. That will be 1184. So double this 7, that will be 14. So the last digit is 4. Again the answer will lie between 2 square and 8 square. So directly I am applying here 8 times. So 148 8s are 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 38. This will be 11. So 148 8s are 1184. Subtract this, you got the remainder as 0. So what is the square root here? Square root of 6084 is how much? 78. So last one this bit. 9025. So we have to find the square root of 9025. Pair the numbers. 90 you got. So less than 95 is what here? 81. So 9 9s are 81. So here 9. Bring this 25 down. So it will be how much? Double this 9. Double of 9 is 18. So what you last digit here? 5. So where you are seeing the 5 here? In case of 5. That is 185. 5s are 925. Subtract this. Remainder 0. So what is the square root here? Square root of 9025 is how much? 95. That means 95. 95s are 9025. So with this our first bit is completed. Second bit. For decimal numbers we have to find the square root. Method is same. So first one is what? 2.56. What is the square root of 2.56? We have to find. So given square root of 2.56. We have to find square root of 2.56. I am using division method here. So pair the numbers first. No need of taking point. Don't consider this point now itself. So first you pair the values. So 56 is one pair and 2 is another pair. So what is less than 2 value here? 1. That is 1 ones are 1. Subtract this. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Bring this whole number down here. So now you double this value. 1 double is 2. Now what is the last digit here? 6. So where you are seeing the 6? In case of 4 square is 6. That is the units place is 6. And also in case of 6 square the units place is again 6. So the answer will be in these two terms only. These two numbers only. So first I am applying here 4. So 24 4s are 4 4s are 16. 8 it will not be the correct answer. Now what is the next one? 6. So we can apply 26. 6 are 6 6 are 36. That will be 156. So 26 6 156. So you got the remainder as 0 here. So if you subtract this, you got the remainder as 0. So where you will give the point now? After how many pairs you are having the point, that after that many numbers you have to keep the point. Because after only one pair you are having the point. So after one digit, one number we will apply the point there. So therefore, what is the square root here? Square root of 2.56 is 1.6. That is 1.6 into 1.6 is 2.56. So second one, try it as homework in that. Second one is 18.49. So I will